Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mkcreationlearninghub. Today in this video I am sharing a simple and short lines never give up for school assembly. So let's start. Good morning everyone. I am Midhans Jain, student of class 2nd. Today I am going to share before you all a thought of the day: never give up. Never give up means to keep trying even when things are tough. When you face challenges, don't give up. Keep believing in yourself and your dreams. Remember, success often takes time and efforts. Even you fail, learn from your mistakes and try again. So always remember, never give up. Thank you. Okay friends, that's it. If you like my video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.